Yeah. That's 3 versus 2.
If this gas moves, oh yeah, I see it.
Off-roader, I think.
Here it comes.
It's coming up behind you, Megan.
Yeah, it's probably going to come back around for another run. Oh, really?
Did you see where it went, Free Boy? They're southwest. Fucking one shot in the head. Fucking hackers. Yeah, Free Boy's alive. Yeah, one of them's aimbotting.
Hit the one on the right a load of times.
What the fuck? What the fuck happened to Megan? Frag grenade. They're well hacking.
Got one.
VD, nice hacks. VD, hacks. What's your health like, Free Boy? Fucking hell. 1 versus 1 here, Free Boy.
Got him. Yes! Fucking yes! Fucking yes! My first ever win, bitch! My first ever win! Woohoo! Fucking yes!
Get in there!
Fucking take a minute to celebrate.
Oh!
Oh, that's fucking quality.
Fucking hell, I got one shot in. And V Docs, whatever he was called.
Oh, that's fucking quality.
Yeah.
Do you know how much I'm shaking right now?
How much?
Shitloads!
Fucking hell, 1 sec. See what Megan wants. Brickley, did you record?
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Oh, I've got a Battle Royale crown!
You got what?
The Battle Royale crown!
Oh, fuck yes!
Megan! And the elite bag!
Oh, I got them last 2 kills as well! Woohoo!
Fucking hell.
Fuck yes!
Fucking hell, that's why you do teamwork.
Oh, fuck me, man.